Hello friends, good afternoon. So friends, here is present in front of me a small layout of a small house, 30 feet by 27 feet. So as per this location, right, left and back side have plots, already available houses, existing houses. On the front side is a small road. So it was planned to make a small house over there. So you can see how I have designed. So from here I will enter in the house. On the left side we make one drawing room, and on the right side you can see the small bathroom. Dimensions are not here, so I can put here. Already I have written their dimensions, 10 12 feet by 9 inches, so you can see from here also. And here you can see the hall living area, 17 feet 9 inches by 15 feet 5 inches. On this corner there is a small kitchen, 8 feet 5 inches by 9 feet 5 inches, one small window in the opening in the hall area, and one small window opening in the open to sky. Open to sky is 5 feet by 3 feet, and access to the open to sky is from this bedroom. Bedroom size is 14 feet 5 inches by 12 feet with attached bathroom. So these are the ground floor which I have made. Small wardrobe is there, bed will be here, TV location is here. In the bathroom you can see in the front of the door will be the wash basin. On the left side will be the WC or the Arabic WC, and this one for the shower tray or shower. In the kitchen, on this side you can make a oven. Here near the window will be the sink, and fridge can be placed in the corner near to the window for ventilation also. So from here we will go up. So up to now I have completed the ground floor only, and I am sharing this idea with you. So I'm looking forward for your comments, for your suggestions. If you can give me any suggestion in order to improve this idea, and hopefully in the next video I will show you the first floor for this one and with full package. So see you in the next video.